Hello everyone, this is my project PR Autopsy. In this project, the main motive is we don't ask that AI wrote it, we ask before posting the thing, a human thought about it. These are the two different questions with different answer. So the problem is that pull request land in our queue with some title, with some description. We paste these description into our tool and then it gives the score. Basically it's do PR autopsy. The rest of the things you can see here, that how detection is working. We are opting different methods: set intersection, set difference, TF IDF token scoring, NLP tokenizer. There is zero API calls. We don't ask any AI that this is being written by AI or human had thought about it. We opt these method for defining the things. The main signal is the reconstruction attack, the core signal, which is of intersection, higher slope and high judgment, and about the evidence of judgment of human delta. So let us, without wasting time, let us see the features. There is playground feature, which has got live scoring console, null hypothesis console. There is live fire that real GitHub PRs are there. There is Chrome extension development here. So let us go on the live demo. So this is a thing. So when we suppose we take a run on the Facebook React PR request, so it is working. So it took 20 seconds to load. Now you can see about the description quality trend of last 30 days. As you can see, these are the trend. What is the score of the PR? What is the scope of the pull request descriptions? Here you can see about the qualities, as this is represent the C grade score. This is represent the D grade score, the red ones, and the green one score, the good score. So merge speed versus description score, that how fast it is merge. These are the things in both ways. You can see here the average score, the slope ratio, and the PR analysis 30. Here is another quality profile, that these are the PR by the different profiles. Here you score, that is our tool has scored them 60 to 79, 40 to 59. These are the scores. So as you can see, in different parameters and different measures, you can see the PR quality. Here is a get batch quality, that one can add this to our readme.md. PR quality is 49. It is medium slow. Here you can see the recent pull request feature. Let us go on the playground feature. Here is the PR title and PR description body and the get difference. So when you are going to run that what AI write, and when you are going to run this PR autopsy, it will do analysis and it will give you the autopsy scorecard. From here you can change the thing here also, and here what AI has pasted, what AI has given to you, you can paste it here and it will give you the quality. It is a C grade thing, that the description PR title, it is a C grade, 71 out of 100. There is null hypothesis console, or attenuated description is given, which is GU9, the red one is GU9, and the 6% of the description matches difference token, the red ones. There is human delta breakdown about the different signal, external context reference, deliberate exclusion statements, reviewer directed question, risk side effect callouts, and vocabulary uniqueness. Autopsy signal breakdown, you can see that from where the score is coming. Human judgment detected, that is the human has think about it, so you can test it against the AI content and by your content here. And this AI baseline description is for signal 8, which is optional. Let us come to the bake-off matrix feature. It is loading on a validation dataset. We have got 300 sample validation dataset, and you can take reference from the code and readme.md. You can see that expected U9 from the 300, one are truly positive, actual slope was false negative was 7, and 150 true negative. These are the scorecard in precision, recall, accuracy. Here are the test sample case. You can go ahead with misclassified with 15, and then there are things about the sample data test we have feed into this model. correctly classified. Here are the things. How detection work? You can see that there are the different signals. LLM involvement is none. There is zero API call. You can see here the leaderboard, and you can directly go on the GitHub. So these are the feature. With this, I would like to wind up. Thank you.